10 must-read books to help you make smart financial decisions. Welcome to my channel. If you want to make smart financial decisions, then you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll show you 10 of the best books to help you become more knowledgeable and make more informed decisions when it comes to your finances. With budgeting tips, investing advice, and more, these books are sure to give you the confidence you need to reach your financial goals. We all agree that making smart financial decisions can be a daunting task. After all, there are so many strategies, tips, and rules that it can make it as hard to know where to start. But don't worry, I have curated a list of 10 books from the multitude of books out there. The books I will be presenting in this video are some of the greatest personal finance books written by renowned financial advisors to everyday investors. These 10 must-read books will provide you with the information and guidance you need to make smarter financial decisions. So, get ready to learn the basics of budgeting, investing, and more. With the help of these books, you can make the most out of your money and take control of your financial future. So, let's get started. Number 1, The Richest Man in Babylon. The Richest Man in Babylon is one of the oldest and most famous financial books out there. Written in 1926, this classic is full of timeless advice that is just as relevant now as it was back then. Written in short, easy-to-read chapters, this book is perfect for anyone who wants to understand the basics of personal finance. If you're looking for a book that will help you make smart financial decisions, this is the book for you. Number 2, Rich Dad Poor Dad. Next up is Rich Dad Poor Dad. While The Richest Man in Babylon focuses on the basics of personal finance, Rich Dad Poor Dad takes things a step further. In this book, author Robert Kiyosaki talks about the importance of investing in assets, rather than just living off of a regular salary. While regular income may seem like a great way to make money, it is actually very risky. If your job suddenly goes away, you could lose everything. On the other hand, if you have assets, such as a house or some stocks, the value of these assets will not disappear just because you lose your job. As you can see, investing in assets is a good way to make money. Number 3, The Intelligent Investor. The next book on our list is The Intelligent Investor. The Intelligent Investor acts as a guide for investors who want to learn more about stocks and bonds. If you are interested in investing in the stock market, this is the perfect book for you. This book covers all the basics, from understanding how to use a brokerage account to evaluating a company's financials. If you want to get started investing, The Intelligent Investor is a must-read. Number 4, The Total Money Makeover. Next up is The Total Money Makeover. Unlike the books that have come before it, The Total Money Makeover is not just a finance book. It is a guide to get you out of debt and help you make better financial decisions. If you are looking to get out of debt and start making better financial decisions, this is the book for you. It is written by Dave Ramsey, an American radio host. He is well known for his debt-free lifestyle and is a great source of financial advice. If you want a comprehensive plan for better financial habits, The Total Money Makeover is the book for you. Number 5, I Will Teach You to Be Rich. Next up is I Will Teach You to Be Rich. I Will Teach You to Be Rich is a great book for anyone looking to get started with personal finance. This book covers all the basics and is easy to read and understand. If you are new to personal finance, this is the perfect book to help you get started on the right foot. With its straightforward advice, I Will Teach You to Be Rich is a great place to start for anyone interested in making better financial decisions. I Will Teach You to Be Rich is a great book for anyone looking to get started with personal finance. Number 6, The Little Book of Common Sense Investing. The Little Book of Common Sense Investing is another great book to help you with your investments. Authored by renowned financial advisor, Jack Bogle, this book is not only a great guide to investment, but also a look at how the financial system works. If you want to become a smarter investor, The Little Book of Common Sense Investing is the perfect book for you. Number 7, The Millionaire Next Door. The Millionaire Next Door is not just one of the best books for financial advice, but also a fascinating look into the lives of wealthy people. In this book, the authors interview and analyze people who are worth millions of dollars. By doing so, they are able to determine what these wealthy people have in common and how you can become financially successful too. This book is a must-read if you want to make smart financial decisions. Number 8. The Boglehead's Guide to Investing. The Boglehead's Guide to Investing. If you want to learn more about investing, this is the book for you. The Boglehead's Guide to Investing is the perfect book to start you off in the world of investing. With its easy-to-read format and straightforward advice, this book is perfect for beginners who want to get started with investing. Whether you want to invest in stocks or bonds, this book will help you get started on the right foot. Number 9. The Simple Path to Wealth. The Simple Path to Wealth by J.L. Collins is a must-read for investors. In this book, Collins breaks down the basics of financial planning and investing. This book is a great resource for anyone looking to make smarter financial decisions and improve their financial literacy. If you are looking to make smarter financial decisions, this book is a must-read. If you are more interested in learning about the basics of money management, however, you can skip this one. The Simple Path to Wealth focuses primarily on investment strategy. And finally, number 10, The Automatic Millionaire. Last but not least, The Automatic Millionaire by David Bach is a must-read for those looking to make smarter financial decisions. This book breaks down the automation method of saving and investing, which is a great way to make smarter financial decisions. This book is a great resource for anyone looking to make the most out of their money. If you are looking to make smarter financial decisions, this book is a must-read. If you are more interested in learning about the basics of money management, however, you can skip this one. The Automatic Millionaire focuses primarily on the automation method of saving and investing. In conclusion, the world of finance can be a scary and overwhelming place, but it doesn't have to be. The key to making smarter financial decisions is arming yourself with the right knowledge. These 10 must-read books will give you the information you need to make the most out of your money and take control of your financial future. That's it for this video. Hey! If you have enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you never miss a video.